In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media to your Shopify store. Adding social media links to your Shopify store is a great way to engage with your customers and create a seamless shopping experience. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin. This is your central dashboard where you can manage everything for your Shopify store. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Online Store. This will take you to a page where you can manage your store's appearance and themes. After clicking on Online Store, you should now see the Themes section. Your active theme will be displayed prominently here. Click on the Customize button next to your active theme. This will open the theme editor, which is where you can make adjustments to how your store looks and feels. It might take a moment to load, so don't worry if it doesn't appear right away. Now that you're in the theme editor, what you want to do is look at the sections available on the left side of the screen. Depending on your theme, the exact sections can vary, but you're looking for a section named Footer, Header, or perhaps a similar area where links can be added. Click on it once you locate it. This area is where your social media links can be effectively placed for maximum visibility. When you've selected the appropriate section, you may see options to add or edit content. Many themes include specific areas to insert social media links, often under a label like Social Links or Social Media Accounts. If you do find such a section, click on it. If it doesn't seem immediately apparent, don't be afraid to look through each field until you find the right one. In this area, you'll see various fields where you can enter URLs. Here's where you'll add the URLs for your various social media accounts. Common platforms you might want to include are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Simply paste the full URL of your profile from each of these platforms into the respective fields. Once you've added all your social media links, it's important to double-check that no mistakes have been made. Make sure each URL is correct and leads to the right page. Take a moment here to also ensure all other settings are how you want them for your store's header or footer. After verifying everything is correct, look for the Save button, which is typically located at the top right of the page. Click on it to save your changes. By doing this, you're ensuring that all the links are now live on your store. Head back to your shop's homepage in a new tab to test the links. Make sure each leads to the correct social media page. And there you have it. You've successfully added social media links to your Shopify store. This small step not only enhances your store's interactivity but also connects your customers with your broader online presence. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful Shopify tips and tricks.